If you are struggling to save money like so many people are today, I'm going to let you in on a little secret, and I'm not going to make you wait until the end of the video. The secret is you need an app for that. Yes, you need an app on your phone that is specifically for savings. Okay, when it comes to my clients, one of the first things that I have them do is implement a strategy that I like to call silent saving. And this strategy accounts for almost 50% of their total annual savings. And I really genuinely believe like that is significant. That is a significant amount of money that you do not want to leave on the table. Hello, beautiful people. It is me, Tasha K with Goddess Day, and I'm excited to talk to you about saving. I started my financial career with saving. And so it is near and dear to my heart, and I want you to get into your savings bag. If you are listening to this video right now, do me a favor and subscribe to join this community of wonderful wealth builders so that you can see when I post new videos. I'm recording 14 videos today, so I have a lot to say. There's going to be a lot of stuff coming out. I post videos every single week, except when I take my breaks, but I'm not in a break period right now. Today I want to talk about two different types of strategies. We have your intentional saving strategy, which is what you do on the regular basis when you take some money from your main checking account and you put it in a savings account. And that is very important. That is a very important part of your overall financial strategy. But we're going to look beyond that today. The first thing I want you to understand is this concept of silent spending. Okay, you will notice silent spending because it's just a natural part of your everyday routine. It's already baked in there. You don't even have to think about it. When you go get coffee in the morning, when you go get gas, when you go to lunch, you know, all of these things, they're already built into your routine. And this is what I like to call your silent spending. It's like automatic. And what we want to do is make sure that your saving strategy is just as automatic as your spending is. So when it comes to leveraging savings apps for this, so this is making me think about when I was younger. I didn't think about it as silent saving then because it was the only savings that I genuinely had access to. But I would save pennies. I would pick pennies up off the ground. I would save change from around the house. I would ask my aunties, can I have $1? And then I would save it. And that's actually very similar to the silent saving strategy that I use via these apps. This is going to be things like, so I use Qapital for this, Qapital. I will leave my link below, my affiliate link. And I love Qapital for this the most. And some of the strategies that you could set up are very basic ones like the roundup rule, right? So when you spend money, you can round up to the nearest dollar or to the nearest $2. So what that does, it allows your savings to be baked right into your spending. Of course, it's change, but one of the things I learned as a young girl focusing on her money, I learned that every single amount of money, it starts with a single penny. So I do not begrudge small beginnings, and I have a very keen understanding that, baby, that stuff gonna add up. And this is the thing that blows people away. This is the thing that they're not ready for. So you might feel like you're not in a position to save right now. That's okay. Just implement the silent saving strategies and watch how your money grows. So roundup rule, that's one that you could do. Another one that I like to do is just like a monthly or a daily amount. I might save $1 a day, right? That $1 a day, I'm not going to feel it, but it's going to add up. And when I can, I'm going to increase that to $2 when I'm not going to feel that. That's like bus fare. I'm not going to feel that. Or an extra cup of coffee, $3, $4. I'm not going to feel that, but it's going to add up over time. And if you don't want to do daily, you could do weekly. $5 a week, $10 a week, $50 a week. Whatever it is that you can do and you not feel, I recommend that you do that, and that is going to add up so quickly. Now, one of my favorites to do is on Qapital. This is called the freelancer rule. And what the freelancer rule does is whenever you get a lump sum of money that's above a certain amount, and you can set the amount yourself, it'll automatically take a percentage that you set. This is good for business owners who want to automatically put money away for taxes. And this is good for people who are strategic and they just want to be able to save money. So when you have money coming in, automatically save 10%, automatically save 20. And before that money gets a chance to settle into your bank account, a portion of it has already been swept into your savings. There are so many different silent saving strategies that you can employ. You guys know about the 52-week savings rule? That's another one. There are lots of different saving strategies, and the specific strategy doesn't matter to me as much as it matters to me that you have some type of strategy employed, and you can use multiple. Personally, I have the freelancer rule set up. I have the roundup rule set up. I have a weekly amount of money coming out. And I just do all these little things to counteract the silent spending that I'm doing. The final thing that I want you to make sure that you do is hide the money and completely forget about it. Set it up. If you need to, delete the app from your phone. Do not order a debit card. This is not money that I want you to have access to. This is money that I want you to forget about, okay? I want you to only focus on it, maybe check on it twice a year and see how it goes. Maybe check on it in June and December, and then watch how your money will grow exponentially. I have clients tell me all the time, like, oh my gosh, I have like $5,000 in there. I didn't even know that was there. And then once they see that, well, now they can allocate it into their main checking accounts according to their financial goals. So if you watched this far, I hope that you have a better understanding of what it is to be an intentional saver and a silent saver, and I hope that you employ both of these in your financial plan. Thank you for watching until the end. You are a part of my favorites club. And on top of that, I want you to know that you are not helpless, hopeless, or powerless. In fact, you are powerful beyond measure, and you have everything that you could ever need to take your life, your finances, your happiness, everything to the next level. Have a wonderful day. Gotta stay.